Nature Hike Vic 1 in its natural habitat, right in front of the FK Top. I'm sitting in the FK Top right now. This is me. And it's like in my doorway, and there's the Namach, the Hilleberg Namach, Fintan's tent. We've set up very much like a tight-knit group. There were some shepherds at the top of Ntonjelana Pass who are almost certainly not going to be problematic, but we just take precautions.
Have you moved the thingy, Ruth?
Yeah, I have. While I would consider Ntonjelana one of the easier passes in the Mnweni area, it is by no means easy. It was 14 kilometers from the start of the trail to the top of Ntonjelana Pass. We did get a lift in the bakkie from the Mnweni Cultural Center to the end of the road. If you had to walk that road, the road is about an extra 5 or so kilometers. And the elevation gain on my watch was 1,400 meters of elevation gain. Very, very steep uphill. There's quite a lot of technical rocky sections. Navigation can be kind of tricky if there's mist. So there's no markings or anything like that on the path. I would definitely recommend taking both a GPS track and a paper map. If you're looking for the top of Ntonjelana Pass from the escarpment, when you're facing the escarpment edge, it's slightly to the left of the low point of the escarpment, and there is a small cairn marking the start, and there's quite a lot of eroded paths heading in the direction of Ntonjelana Pass. Ntonjelana Pass is used quite extensively by the locals and by hikers and by shepherds and by smugglers. So there is quite a bit of erosion, and you might also see signs of other people such as litter or dead animals. If you do come and do Ntonjelana Pass, I recommend bringing an extra rubbish bag so you can pick up the litter as you go.